The topic we are going to see is the general procedure for testing of hypothesis. Okay, see here see here I have told that for testing hypothesis we want to follow a statistical procedure. Okay, so that procedure we are going to see. Okay, our statistical procedure for testing of hypothesis. Okay, first step is we want to formulate the hypothesis. Okay, formulation of H0 and H1. Okay, H1 or HA, that is formulation null and alternate hypothesis. And second one is choosing the level of significance. Okay, that is alpha. Okay, and third one is we want to select test statistic. Okay, test statistic. And fourth one is we want to calculate that one test statistic. Okay, calculate test statistic. And critical value. Okay, critical value means it is the table value of test statistic. Statistic or theoretical value. Okay, theoretical value. So we want to calculate the test statistic value and then table value of test statistic. Okay, and fifth one, we want to draw conclusion. That is, if calculated test statistic, okay, is greater than critical value, okay, or table test statistic, then it is significant. Okay, otherwise non-significant. Okay, so we will follow this procedure in sample. Okay, we will follow this procedure in the sample. Okay, in the sample only we will follow this procedure. Okay, because we are testing the parameter of the population. Okay, see here, so the hypothesis means it is the parameter of the population, so we are testing the parameter of the population based on sample information. Okay, so based on the sample we will test this parameter of the population. Okay, so these procedure are followed in the sample. Okay, it is very important. Okay, these procedure will be followed in the samples. Okay,